Fair old wheel down there, eh?
Long way.
Kia ora guys, welcome to another episode of Yak Fish Fun. Today I'm joined by my good mates Willsy, Skippy and Tim B. We're going to be fishing an extremely remote, seldom fished part of the King Country with beautiful black iron sand beaches, rugged coastline. This is truly a spectacular place to explore.
Yeah, we're on. Oh, dropped it. Back on. Getting a little bit dicey on the reload. Not like Tim, he's got his feet to work with. Change the colour. Just change to the 7-inch bruised banana. Bring her in. Typical West Coast fish, tough. There we go. Look at that. Hey dude, I gotta pull you on. There we go. First one's going home. Back to Tangara. Look at that. Munted. Getting pretty remote to get to the spot. Always great exploring a new location. Nice eater. Beautiful fish, all lit up. I'll keep this one. Nice. I thought I had a snag, but it's a fish. Right and close. And 50 metres ashore, just seems to be the shallower today the better. Today.
Oh, this makes reference points tough on the middle.
Tim's got a PB snapper here. Absolute donk. Definitely a 20.
Well done, Tim. Great stuff, bro.
Medium, might be right. Another nice whistle. Whoa! Ah! My bloody braid broke. Right at the yak. Racing over to see what Skippy's got. Well, the ex-yearling, he might have joined the 20 club too, like Tim today. That would be epic. Skippy looks happy. What's that? 700. Nice fish, man.
Finally off on the board. Don't do this to me, bro. Come on. Come on. I want to catch you giving me 20.
You should go back. They're fighting hard, don't they? Here you go, got a kick.
Come on. He just ran into your kayak.
He just beat my
I
kayak
think
up.
he went down.
There we go. Glow bite, grumpy slider.
Feels like a decent fish. Got a lot of distance between me and the yak. I can see the part of the grumpy slider. Yeah, well, it's a strange fight. It had a real blistering first run and then it's kind of gone pretty quiet. Definitely a snapper. Not huge. They're just fighting well. It's not quite that good what the slider's doing on the front there, is it? It's going to break a rod tip. All the way up onto the braid. Keep it. You're just hooked, buddy. Well, that's all my keepers. I'm close, we're in 6 metres. And I had the grumpy slider out the back, but let's put another battery in the camera. And we're hooked up. It's the second fish on the grumpy slider. Glow bite product that Wes Braddock kindly gave me to test out. All these panties are healthy though, eh Shane? Right. Another nice West Coast panty. Go. Fishing's really come on this afternoon.
Loz it to Tim, do you copy over?
Yeah, copy, Loza.
It's holding plenty of fish down here too. Epic fishing.
Yeah, I'm smashed, eh? Don't know if I can do anymore.
Gotta be my fish of the day. Here it comes. Like that, or just a very tough fish. Oh no, my camera. Yep, just broke my rail blazer fitting. So it's been quite a good fight so far. Haven't got a net. I'm just going to have to tie this one right out. These fish are very fit. This is a darker one too, Skippy. It's almost like a resident one. No wonder that was a hard battle.